Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning pre-market, pre-jobs webcast. Quickly on the daily chart. Look, I left this blurb up for the last 2 days. I'm leaving it up for a third day. Bulls remain in control above 2400 to 2404. Recall we got our weekly pivot test 2 days ago. Bulls want to break out today from this small pullback. Pullback, breakout, done. Now we've got an upper band ride, okay? The key to yesterday is all of this noise in and around 1314 at the open. Overnight, they established a daily pivot as a higher low. You got your weekly pivot test and support here on Wednesday, and then it's just bye-bye. Bears are a bug on a windshield again. And the key to that is, and you know, it was a Wednesday, but with the holiday, you would consider that to be an early trading week test of the weekly pivot that holds. Okay, this is the area where the Bears needed to convert it. They needed to convert it and flip the entire chart. They didn't have it in them, so they ramped it there, held everybody hostage here, and then up. And we've seen, you know, now they're basically walking it up into jobs. So we ended up getting long 13s. I held mine for about 10 handles. I felt pretty good about myself, and then it ran another, 10 or 13 handles. But, that's definitely a first world problem. What we didn't do, we didn't short it. We didn't get in front of it. We didn't try to short it. We didn't try to get cute. We tried one short that we took a three or four tick loss on up around 25, 26 yesterday, right in here, on here, when R2 tried to be resistance. But it didn't happen. So you take a quick exit on that one, and then you decide if you want to reverse and go higher. I decided to go flat into jobs because that's what I always do. We've also been trading oil. Oil has been moving really well. So, especially on the short side. So, I mean, that's how we've spent our week. So it's been a very nice week, even for a short week in the room. It's been really nice. It's good to see the tape moving again. Now, as we head into today, it's all about jobs. It's all about jobs. If this is one big walk up into jobs, then we'll get some kind of a correction today. But even if we do, I'm not sure it owes us much. I'm not sure if it owes us much more than a move back to the hourly midband, or, best case scenario for the Bears, a move back to test today's daily pivot. If not, what you're going to see is more pain for the Bears. Absolutely more pain for the Bears. So I don't game jobs. I don't trade in anticipation of what the reaction to jobs is going to be, and I don't think you should either. I think it's better to see what the reaction is. You'll very quickly determine a range with an upper and a lower area. That's how we trade in the room. Then you're doing one of a few things. You're either making higher lows relative to the bottom of that range, lower highs relative to the top, and then you're either going to break out of it or you're going to break down. And that's where the trade opportunities come. So be careful trading jobs. Be careful getting too complacent on the long side, and be careful trying to get too stubborn on the short side. These types of markets bring out the worst emotions in traders. Don't fall victim to that. Don't fall victim to saying, enough is enough with this up move. Well, I mean, who are we, right? And don't be, well, we're never going down. We're never going down again. Don't be that person either. If you're long and doing well, take profits, roll up stops, lock in good gains. If all you want to do is be short, then I think you should take your hands, place them underneath your backside, and don't do a damn thing until the Bears start to make some lower highs, until you can identify risk, and until the Bears, I wouldn't really lean into it until the Bears can convert something that matters. They only tried to do that one time this week. That was right down here, and we all see how that worked out. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. I did post a wrap-up last night. If you missed it, go check that out on social, and I will be back for the midday update. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.